Hey guys, welcome to Drew Tutorial. If you are new here, special welcome. In this video, I will show you how to watch UEFA Conference League in USA. So the first thing that we are going to do is to open our browser. Now, once we open our browser, on the search bar, we're going to search for Paramount Plus Conference League and then click on enter. After you do that, just click the first link right here. And then once you click it, all you have to do is to sign in into their account. However, if you don't have an account yet, we're going to click on Get Started. So if you scroll down right here, as you can see, here are the match replays that we have for Conference League. However, we will have to subscribe first. So if we click on the match right here, we need to click on Get Started. So we'll have to choose our subscription. So just click on the subscription that you prefer and then put your full name, and then your email, and then your password, your zip code, your birth date, and then of course your gender. So after that, click on agree and continue. And then in this part, you'll just have to put your payment method. So just scroll down and then you can either pay through credit card or debit card or PayPal. So just put your first name right here, your address, your city, and then of course your credit card number. After you do that, just click on subscribe. And then once you click on subscribe, and if you have successfully availed their subscription, all you have to do is to go back into Paramount Plus. So search for Paramount Plus right here, and then put on Conference League. And then once you click it, you will now be able to watch it right inside Paramount Plus. So just make sure that you are logged in into your account. And then after that, just select the match that you want to watch. So if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. That would be much appreciated. And that is basically it.